Yo, what's up, GC followers, man? Y'all already know what it is and what it do, man. As y'all can see, I'm back with another video. This one is about me doing the headlights. Y'all can see this is already smeared up and dingy looking, this one. And this one is just about as worse as the driver's side. So I'm about to set up. I'm gonna use the same stuff that I use on my wife's car, which is this 3M rubbing compound. It worked real good on the last one. So I'm gonna go ahead on and hit this one here up too, man. It don't make no sense for me to not do it. So I'm gonna go ahead on and knock it out on my Nissan. That way I can kind of see a little better at night too, you know? So about to set the camera up, man, and get this thing started. Yep, y'all see it, baby. All clear, bro. All cleared up, man. So I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna hit the passenger side and hit the passenger side. This is what the driver's side look like.
That's a lot for my friend.
And this is what the passenger side look like. This is what the driver's side was looking like. Now she look like that. So y'all stay tuned for the passenger side, bro. And there you have it, folks. A nice, clear looking light globe. I'm telling y'all, man, this stuff really do work, bro. I ain't too long ago did my wife one. Y'all see on the last video that I did. It came out real good. I know it would look way better, way better if I do it with a buffer, but all I have is my hand right now. I don't have my buffer with me. So, if y'all really do try that stuff, man, I'm gonna show y'all this stuff one more time. That's it right here. 3M rubbing compound. I'm telling y'all, this stuff really do work. It worked real good, so I'm gonna go back and show y'all what it did to my wife, cause y'all can go back to my last video and see how dingy it was looking at first. This is what it looked like now. I used it on it. It turned out real good. So I'm thinking about using it on my Mustang and my 250. But I don't know, that might be another day. But if y'all, man, if y'all ain't subscribed to my channel yet, man, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, leave your comments, and you know, get with me, bro. Y'all stick with the journey, man. Y'all already know what it is, the GC journey, baby. I'm out this thing. Wishmaster Beats.